So what we've seen done in the past week is drywalling, getting near the finish line. The tapers have been here, getting all of the joints all taped up and finish coated. So actually the drywallers are downstairs finishing doing their sand coat. So I think today is probably the last day of drywalling, and we'll start painting either tomorrow or Friday. Not a ton visually to see as far as updates go today at this project, but let's just take a poke around and see what we've got going on. So what we're looking for here and what you want to see in a good drywall job is nice tight corners, everything looking really good. Inside corners looking nice and sharp and clean and flat and smooth. I always encourage our project management team to wait till the painting gets completed before we start getting too carried away with how things are looking. This little section up here, we call that a three-way, wall meets ceiling. And we want to make sure that we see those be clean and there's no gunk left in the middle of them, so it's nice and sharp. Again, our corner beads, which is what's on the edge here, that's the corner bead. And again, what that looks like before you get started is that, and that gets taped on the wall. So again, everything here looking exactly as we would hope. Once again, our friends from Proper Ceilings and Walls doing a great job on keeping the site clean and tidy. Always a very good sign that you're working with people that know what they're doing. Moving upstairs. Again, just more drywall repair. Getting all that work done there. Looking great. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.